Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maniya here and I am back with another video. Today I am in a new location. I am in the COVERGIRL content creator studio in Manhattan. Yes, the Empire State Building to be exact. They invited me, someone reached out to me from COVERGIRL through my Instagram. They saw I love makeup and I do makeup, and they invited me to come do a look or whatever in their content creator studio. I'm so excited. I have to show you, I picked up all these products from on the shelf over there in the corner, and I'm about to do a whole look. So I'm just gonna take their brow gel enhancer and put a very light coat over my brows, just brushing them out and laying them down. Hold up. Now, I love me some brow gel, and especially if I don't have to wait for it to dry. Are you kidding? Look at, I could just easily apply. Wow. And it's laid. I'm just gonna take their sticky grip primer. They have two others, but I'm so into the sticky grip. I have to get that little tight feel, so we're going with that one. And we're just gonna put that all over my face. Primer is really the key to making your makeup last and have it not be like cracking or your smile lines pop out. It's really the primer, guys. You gotta use a good primer. Now I have two different shade foundations because I wasn't sure. We have the 190 and we have the 170. I feel like the 170 would be better for foundation because this is giving like a bronzer for me or like a contour. So we're gonna go for this one. I'm gonna take my little beauty blender. Ooh, I like how that comes out. It's very liquidy. Little warm, but we're gonna make it work because we have concealer that's just gonna make it come all together. I love this flawless coverage from this foundation. I think it makes my skin look very good and even, neutral, glowy. I really like it. I actually don't think this is a bad color match. Like, I feel like it's actually, I guess I feel a little darker because I didn't highlight yet, but it's not a hard, it's just a great color match. So this, I like it. So for brows, they have two different options. I see Clean Fresh Brow Filler, and then we have the brow liner. I guess we're gonna do the brow filler because my eyebrows really feel like I feel like they need to be filled more than anything else. So it looks like this. Let's see. I like that. Now I'm just gonna use their concealer to sculpt my brows. So next I want to do a fun little eyeshadow look, and they have these really cute eyeshadow palettes that are mini, like travel size, and I'm gonna put them together and see what I come up with. So first we're gonna do obviously a concealer base on the lid. It's so cute. It has little clouds on it. That's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this black. It's so glittery. I love it. Right here on the corner. Blend that in nicely. We're not gonna bring it up too high. Just right here in that corner. I'm gonna go in with this really nice darker maroony brown, I guess, right on top. Take this lighter color on the end here and put it on my lid in the front. I'm going to add this little glitter shade right here on top of that lid area. Very small though. I'm going to take this really nice lighter shade from the other palette and put that on my inner corner. Take the silver on the end right here with my finger and just dot it on top as well. And it's so bright. We're gonna take that same black and put it on my waterline. Did have to bring my own lashes, so I'm gonna put my lashes on. Okay, let's finish up the face. Bring back to concealer. I'm gonna go in with, they have two different setting powders, so I'm gonna try both of them and see how they work. For a little bright under eye moment. I like that. It's actually not too bright, even though it's like white. This is called, is this called Invisible? Clean Invisible. So this is probably for all skin tones. I love it. I'm just gonna go in the one that's a little more skin matte. Oh, that is not, what the, this as the contour. I'm go very pigmented. Finish up, I'm gonna use one of their fun Halloween liners. This is my final look with all CoverGirl makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be coming back to this studio to try more of their amazing products. And if you are interested in seeing me on other platforms, head over to the link in my bio or the description down below to see me on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you like to go. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.